That's a good start. Great victory against Penmaenmawr and a good performance all in all over the 90 minutes, Chris.
Yeah, great performance, perfect start. Obviously, full credit to them. They started the game really well. I thought first 20-25 minutes they were really quick out the blocks and caused us a lot of problems. And you know, it was obvious why they're now at this level. Obviously, they had a great season last year, unbeaten in the league and won a treble. So you can see they're going to cause a lot of problems in this league. But you know, after the first 20-25 minutes, I thought we settled into it. Started asking them a lot of different questions in the final third, which was good. Kept the ball at the right times, but you know, I was really pleased with the way the goals happened, because it was good build-up play and then good finishes to finish the moves off.
There's good finishing, a number of scorers as well, which bodes well for the season.
Yeah, obviously we've got a really good squad at the moment. A little bit wary of last season. Obviously, when we hit a rocky patch, it was because we had a lot of people out injured and maybe we didn't have the squad depth, particularly in the final third. We were relying on a couple of players to score a lot of the goals. I think when you look at the squad we've slowly built this summer, with lads to come back as well, and how many lads we had to bring on off the bench today in the attacking third, we're strong there, and you know, I think that's the way forward for us. Strong
defence and midfield, and scoring as well from midfield.
Yeah, I have to give a mention to our goalkeeper tonight. Obviously, he had unretired in the summer as an outfield player, but our goalkeeper that we've signed was suspended tonight, so he stepped up and gone in goal for us, so full credit to Idon as well.
Yeah, we were one down, fair play to Idon, and that woke us up as well.
Yeah, like I say, they started really quickly. I think they'd have caused any team problems tonight, but what I liked is when we did go one down, the response off everyone was not one of a defeatist attitude. It was, you know, let's go and get back in the game. Started moving the ball a lot quicker, asking them different questions, and like I say, I think we were full value for 3-1 at half time, and then completely dominant in the second half to get the 6-1 win.
And finally, a cup game, another cup game on Saturday.
Yeah, just about, as always at the start of the season, we've won our first league game now, so it's about momentum. Take that into the cup game on Saturday. Obviously, we won a different cup game last weekend, so you know, we started the season really well. It's about momentum now. Keep ticking the games off and see where it takes us.
Diolch, Chris.
Diolch, Til.